active until midnight Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Carroll, DeKalb, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Jasper and Newton, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene and Rock. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's weather radio KZZ81.